Hey Kyle, it's Paul. Just wanted to show you your website real quick before we go over things tomorrow. Just so you get an idea of what you're up against, what your competition looks like, opportunities that we need to take on your website to get it to rank and beat your competition, get your phone to ring over theirs. I've got your site pulled up. Of course, you know it's it's shifted over to one side. It's basically a total redo on the site. We've got a lot of content to add, and we'll get that all optimized for you for sure. Looking at where you guys rank, for towing Fayetteville AR, I did towing Springdale AR just to give you a sample. You're actually ranking in the map pack for towing Fayetteville AR, which is great, and that's based off of your citations that you have currently. If you look down at who's actually organically ranking, it's NWA Tow, it's Towing Fayetteville AR, which I think is a lead generation site of somebody's, roadservicestowing.com. These sites are pretty much the same on a couple of sites. You guys are way down in like 18th position, pretty far down on the list, according to the Arif's thing. So looking at Springdale Towing or Towing Springdale AR, these are just some of the words that are higher volume. You've got Dan's Heavy Towing, you've got NWA Tow again, you've got Roadside Services Towing again, and you guys are nowhere to be found for that keyword. So we're going to get that fixed. Just looking at your competition sites, NWA Towing, I mean, it's okay, it's a decent site. It's nothing to write home about. It's not. We're going to bring yours up a whole lot better than this as far as the way it looks. Bentonville Towing is another keyword with a lot of volume, a huge amount of volume, and they basically have a Yelp page and a Facebook page for their website. So they're actually ranking #1 for these things. Should be easy to beat. Roadside Services Towing, pretty basic. Again, they've got some content on here, which is great for them to try to rank. We just need to beat that in the amount of content and getting our pictures optimized for with some search terms in the names. And then they've got their different areas listed out. So this is something that I think we want to do and really target those areas, try to rank those back pages. Towing Fayetteville AR, this is that lead gen site that somebody has up, and stock photos that they've come in and added a little logo and some text onto to make it look like it's there. Stock photos again, but their content is pretty good for Fayetteville Towing Service because that's in their name, so they're picking up a lot of that search for that. Again, not beatable by any stretch. Looking at the strength of your current website, it's actually not too bad as far as it's got a good start. It's got a few backlinks coming to it from a few referring domains. It's got about 20 organic keywords. Most of these are of your, Arky Towing or Arky. And then those are ranking very high, of course, because it's in your name. But Towing Fayetteville AR, 18th position. It's climbing a little bit. But any of these other ones that are actually what people are searching, you're way down on page 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. We want to get that fixed. Looking at your competitor, NWA Tow, URL strength of 21. Their main page their homepage is got some strength, but their whole domain has very, very little. So we want to get your referring domains up a lot higher than theirs. They've got we can get that same one that they have on these. These are just kind of citation ones or ones that they paid a few dollars for, but they don't have a lot down here as far as strength. So we just got to target that, beat it, not a problem. These guys, Roadside Services Towing, referring domains, 82. Again, very little as far as strength. They've just got, several, but we will have that, for you guys pretty quick. So nothing to see there as far as like a big problem. Looking at Towing Fayetteville AR, this is that lead gen site. The domain has basically no rating. URL for that one particular homepage has got some strength, but we'll get past that. And on their backlinks, they've got a handful, 10 or so backlinks with a minimal amount of strength. So backlinks, that's the second thing. You got your content that captures all your keywords. minimum 1,500 words. We'll probably get, up into 3,000 or so, depending on how many we go after. We've got the backlinks. We got to get stronger than your competitor. Then that third thing are the citations. So you guys actually have 70 citations currently, which is great. You've got 57% of the ones that are available, that your competitors have. So we just want to get more than that. So, we've got 33 now. We're going to go get another 50 to add to that or so. And then we'll leave these guys just playing catch up all of the time. And again, that's, when NWA Towing has a yahoo.com one, we need to go get that. When they have a deerdirectory.com, and we don't, we need to go get that one. awwtow.com. I don't even know what these are, but we'll just go get them because, that's what we do to beat the guys. So just in summary, the three things: content, keyword rich, targeting specific content that's actually being searched, that has some volume. The backlinks, just building a backlinks, an organic building of those so that over time you outrank your competitors, you have stronger backlinks, you have more backlinks, and then monitoring that, staying in front of them all of the time, get into those 1, 2, 3 position for as many keywords as we want to target, and just stay there. And then the third thing are those citations. Get your name, address, and phone number listed. Right now you're on a Dean Street address. I don't know if you still own that property or not, so we need to decide if we need to change that, and how that will affect you from currently how you're getting phone calls. The other thing that we can look at, for some of the keywords, I think we should look at building a Google ads campaign for. I know, like, for specifically like Bentonville Towing, that is actually a really high volume keyword, and I think we can get at the top of that for a minimum amount of cost, so we can look at that as well. But that's another alternative way to get some more traffic coming your way, and we'll just have to build out an idea what that could look like for you. So yeah, that's pretty much it. A lot of work to do on the website, but overall, as far as like building strength, surpassing your competition, don't see any problem there. Just take a little bit of time once our site's up to get that up and running, but we should be able to capture a lot of that search and get a lot of phone calls coming your way.